Hello everyone and welcome to the Maths Live channel of Sonavane sir. Let us take one more example on singular point. Here the example is solve in series x d square y by dx square plus dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. So simple equation we consider. First check that your given point is your singular point or not. For that we required P0. P0 of x is equal to x. If I put here x equal to 0, I get P0 of 0 is 0. Now, if you see here, P1 of x is 1 and P2 of x is minus 1. Okay. Now check that this singular point is regular singular point or not. For that, how we check it? Taking the limit x tends to 0, x P0 P1 of x upon P0 of x. So here limit x tends to 0, x into P1 of x is 1 upon P0 of x is x. So answer is 1. So it is a finite. Second one is limit x tends to 0, x square P2 of x upon P0 of x. So it is minus 1 upon x and into x square multiple to it. 1x get cancel and if I put x equal to 0, I get 0. So this is also finite quantity. So I get x equal to 0 is regular singular point. Once we get regular singular point, we can write down the solution. So what is our solution here? Y is equal to series k equal to 0 to infinity ak x raised to r plus k, or you may write x raised to r outside. Inside the bracket a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot dot dot, as we did in our last example. Then find its derivative. Dy by dx is equal to summation k equal to 0 to infinity r plus k ak x raised to r plus k minus 1. Then d2y by dx square is equal to summation k equal to 0 to infinity r plus k minus 1 ak x raised to r plus k minus 2. Just we did the derivative here. Now put these values in your given equation. Your given equation is x d2y by dx square plus dy by dx minus y equal to 0. So in this we are going to substitute this all this series y dy by dx d2y by dx square. Let us do the calculation with me. So here x into d2y by dx square, that is summation k equal to 0 to infinity, yes, r plus k minus 1, then ak x raised to r plus k minus 2. This is the value of d2y by dx square plus dy by dx. Dy by dx is summation k equal to 0 to infinity, then r plus k ak x raised to r plus k minus 1, and last term minus y, that is summation k equal to 0 to infinity, yes, ak x raised to r plus k is equal to 0. Understood it? Now multiply this x inside the series. So I get here series k equal to 0 to infinity r plus k, then r plus k minus 1 ak x raised to r plus k minus 1. Here plus 1 is there, x raised to 1 minus 2. So I get minus 1. Correct? Plus series remaining term as it is, 0 to infinity r plus k, then here ak x raised to r plus k minus 1 minus summation k equal to 0 to infinity ak x raised to r plus k is equal to 0, right? Now you can combine the similar coefficient terms. Here x raised to r plus k minus 1, this term is there, so you can combine, or you may directly write down by taking k equal to 0 the lowest degree term. Now here I just extend one step, I combine first two terms. So what I get here, k is equal to 0 to infinity, yes, first term is r plus k, then r plus k minus 1, ak I take outside, okay, plus second term r plus k, am I right? Then ak and x raised to r plus k minus 1, correct, minus summation k equal to 0 to infinity, ak x raised to r plus k is equal to 0. Understood this step? Now which is our lowest degree term? For that I have to take k equal to 0. Now check here, if I take k equal to 0, I get here 0 means x raised to r minus 1, and here if I put k equal to 0 in the second term, I get x raised to r. So which is the lowest? Here x raised to r minus 1 is the lowest. So lowest power of x, lowest power of x is which one? X raised to r minus 1. So take its coefficient equal to 0. Therefore, coefficient of which one? Lowest power x raised to r minus 1 is equal to 0. I have to take its coefficient. So, and at that time put k equal to 0 while taking the coefficient. So here r k is equal to 0. Second, r minus 1 because k equal to 0 plus r. Understood to everyone? Right? And is equal into a0 is equal to 0. But we have taken, but a0 never be 0. Means which term is equal to 0 from this? I get r into r minus 1 plus r is equal to 0. So can I write here directly, or okay, we will take one more step. R minus r get cancel, I get r square is equal to 0. R square equal to 0 means what? R is equal to 0, 0. So this equation is our initial equation. R square equal to 0. This equation is our initial equation. Correct? And I get two roots, 0, 0. Roots are, yes, equal. Roots are equal. So will you tell me the solution when roots are equal? Yes, we have discussed already. Then our y is c1 y at 0 plus c2 dou y by dou r at 0. So at 0 point we need derivative also here. Okay. Now to find remaining points of y, how I find y? My y is summation ak x raised to, my y is summation ak x raised to r plus k. So I need remaining terms. So equate the coefficient of x raised to r now. Now tell me the coefficient of x raised to r from this equation. Yes, x raised to r we have to take, means I have to take k equal to 1 in the first term. So take k equal to 1. What I get? R plus 1. I am writing here r plus 1. Yes. Second one is r plus 1 minus 1. So r, okay, plus r plus 1. Understood? A1. Right? What about the second term? Minus. Second term. Here I have to take, yes, x raised to r I want, na? So I have to take k equal to 0. So what I get? A0 minus A0 equal to 0. So find value of A1 in terms of A0. So A1 is equal to, do your calculation here, you will get A0 upon r plus 1 bracket square. See here, r plus 1 common. R plus 1 common, what remain? R plus 1. So r plus 1 into r plus 1, you will get r plus 1 bracket square. Understood here? We get A1. Similarly, you can find A2, A3, A4 like that. Right? Now it's my advice, find remaining values your own, A2, A3, ... for practice purpose. If you solve up to A2, then also it is good. And in some examples up to A1 also you will get the answer, no problem. Okay, so write down the y here. I am just showing you in limited time how to calculate the values. So y is equal to x raised to r in bracket A0 plus A1 into x we write, no? So A1 means A0 upon r plus 1 bracket square into x. Right, plus ... You may find A2, A3 and substitute the values. Okay, now I need derivative of this term. Derivative with respect to r. For dou y by dou r is equal to, Here you have to keep in your mind, you have to take the derivative of with respect to r. Why we take partial derivative? Because x and r, two variables are there. We need derivative with respect to r, and here two terms of r, x raised to r also and inside also. So first we have to understand the concept of using UV rule here. Now here x raised to r is one function. What is derivative of x raised to r? Because second term we will keep as it is, and then plus again we will keep x raised to r as it is and take the derivative of second term. Now here x raised to r, derivative of x raised to r is x raised to r into log x. Okay, I will tell you. What is derivative of a raised to x? It is a raised to x into log a. Using that concept, I get here x raised to r into log x. This term as it is a0 plus a0 upon r plus 1 bracket square into x plus dot dot dot. So this part remains as it is, plus x raised to r remains as it is, derivative of a0 is 0, plus a0 as it is, x as it is. What is derivative of 1 upon x square? Derivative of 1 upon x square is, yes, I can write x raised to minus 2. What is derivative of x raised to minus 2? Minus 2 x raised to minus 3 means minus 2 upon x cube. So in that way I get here minus 2 upon r plus 1 its cube plus dot dot dot, because next term also terms of r there that may be more than this, so we can find that derivative also if you write a2 and a3 in that in terms of a0. Okay, so these are the two equations we get here, first one and second one, or you may call third and fourth, no problem. Now put here r equal to 0, because our root is r is 0 repeated, two times repeated, 0 0 root we get. So put y, find y at r equal to 0. So y at r equal to 0, y at r equal to 0, yes, or you may call it as y1. Tell me, x raised to 0, x raised to 0 is 1, x raised to 0 is 1 into a0 plus a0 upon, if I put r equal to 0, I get 1. 0 plus 1, here 0 plus 1, it's square, so 1 square, no problem. It is x plus dot dot dot. You can take a0 common, a0 in bracket 1 plus x plus dot dot dot, getting y1. Now dou y by dou r at r equal to 0 is equal to, here we have found it, put here r equal to 0, x raised to r that is 1 into log x as it is, in bracket a0 plus a0x upon again 1 plus dot dot dot, plus x raised to r is 1, then first term is 0, no need to write, a0 minus 2x upon 0 plus 1 again 1 plus dot dot dot. So how we write this? We write it properly, dou y by dou r is equal to, yes, log x, a0 outside, 1 plus x plus dot dot dot, plus again a0 outside, yes, minus 2x plus dot dot dot. Understood? So write down your final answer. Y is equal to c1 y at 0 plus c2 dou y by dou r at 0. Yes, we have written this. So c1, write down y. Value of y is a0 into 1 plus x plus dot dot dot. Write down that a0 into 1 plus x plus dot dot dot, right, plus c2, this value a0 in bracket log x 1 plus x plus dot dot dot, again here minus 2x plus dot dot dot. Understood? So here you may take a bracket plus sign, correct? Instead of this a0 and c1 and a0, I can write a in bracket 1 plus x plus dot dot dot, plus here b log x 1 plus x plus dot 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 plus minus 2x plus dot dot dot. You may take any constant instead of this. If you keep c1 a0 as it is, no problem, but these are the constants. You can take few more constants, right? And again you can take 1 plus x square common, you will get a plus b log x, like that, no problem. So final answer you may write in this way: a plus b log x into this 1 plus x plus dot dot dot, right, plus b into minus 2x plus dot dot dot. So in this way we will solve our problem. Hope you have understood.